What exists beyond the limits of our universe? This question has been pondered by many who have gone before us. It will probably be contemplated by many who will come after us. The immensity is such that scientists have not yet succeeded in completely measuring the diameter of the entire observable universe, without even including the unobservable portion. This is so, and for this reason, we must recognize that the ancient philosophers had some accurate insights, such as materialism, the notion that our existence is limited to atoms. What constitutes the observable universe? That refers to the portion of the cosmos that we can examine using telescopes and other instruments, but it is restricted because light, our main source of information about the universe, can only travel at a finite speed. Consequently, we can only observe objects and events that are at a certain distance from us, while we cannot directly see those objects or events that occurred long ago. The estimated diameter of the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years, a magnitude much larger than the estimated age of the universe at about 13.8 billion years. This is because the expansion of the universe has pushed objects that were once close together far apart, and the light emitted by these objects takes longer to reach us. In short, the observable universe is a vast and fascinating place with many unknowns yet to be discovered. Thanks to the use of instruments such as NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and other scientific devices, we continue to gain knowledge about the structure, composition, and history of the universe, as well as its various phenomena. What exists beyond the boundary of the observable universe? This question poses a profound enigma. If the universe has an estimated age of 13.8 billion years, how is it possible that the boundary of the observable universe extends to about 93 billion light-years? Furthermore, why do we know so little about what lies beyond that limit? To reach the edge of the observable universe would require development in transport methods that allows us to transcend the barriers of space-time. Concepts such as warp engine and wormholes have been discussed, although many scientists believe that travel faster than the speed of light is impossible. Even if it were feasible, the technology required would currently be beyond the reach of human intelligence. The theory of cosmic inflation suggests that the universe as a whole is at least 10 to the 23 times larger than the observable universe. This magnitude is so vast that it is practically incomprehensible to us, since we lack the means to observe or measure the parts of the universe beyond our perceptual reach. Despite this limitation, we can formulate theories based on information obtained from distant galaxies. In this regard, NASA has played a crucial role. Through its work and that of other space agencies, the researchers' institutions, we have made now considerable progress in understanding the cosmos. Even before the James Webb Space Telescope began operations, NASA had already published images of the ultra-deep field captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. Now, with the James Webb Space Telescope, new images have been obtained that reveal distant galaxies, some of which appear to be as they were millions of years after the Big Bang. The James Webb has been able to detect the infrared light, which has allowed us to image galaxies that formed in the earliest stages of the universe. The observation of distant galaxy fields has led to impressive discoveries such as the appearance of 44 previously unknown galaxies up to 300 million years after the Big Bang, in addition to the 11 already known. These findings allow us to delve even deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. These findings have revealed that a significant number of galaxies generated stars in the early stages of the universe, and this is what truly is amazing. Humans have long pondered the possibility that we are alone in this vast cosmos, and these new discoveries in the observable universe have led us to consider that there must be millions of galaxies in the unobservable portion of the universe. Are there extraterrestrials somewhere out there? This question has taken on unprecedented relevance, since the probability that life exists in the universe beyond our planet has never been more compelling. Therefore, the question of what lies beyond the universe could be answered by the existence of extraterrestrial beings. It is well known that there are numerous planets outside our solar system, known as exoplanets, which have been discovered using techniques such as the transit method and the radial method. Some of these exoplanets could have Earth-like characteristics and thus be capable of harboring life forms. This theory has been supported by another discovery made by the James Webb Space Telescope regarding the exoplanet WASP 96b, which lies outside our solar system and exhibit a particular spectrum of light. Surprisingly, the highlights of this spectrum indicate the presence of water molecules on this planet. In addition, the spectrum also reveals evidence of haze and clouds, features previously thought not to exist on such a planet. With the presence of potentially habitable environments in the universe, it is difficult to rule out the possibility of extraterrestrial life forms beyond our own world. What about the multiverse? The observable universe is so vast that its possibilities seem to be infinite. The notion of the multiverse, also known as the many worlds interpretation, is a theoretical idea that is developed in both physics and philosophy, posing the existence of multiple parallel universes or dimensions beyond our own. This idea is mainly discussed in the fields of quantum physics, which deals with the behavior of tiny particles such as atoms and subatomic particles. According to some interpretations of quantum physics, the simple act of observing a quantum system can lead to the collapse into a single state. However, in the many worlds interpretation, observation does not collapse the system, but rather splits it into multiple states, each representing a different outcome. Although the idea of the multiverse is highly speculative and still lacks conclusive evidence to support it, many scientists and philosophers find this idea intriguing and potentially useful in explaining certain phenomena. Others, on the other hand, are skeptical about its validity, since so far we cannot say with certainty what lies beyond our own universe. Thus, the possibility of the existence of a multiverse remains as valid as other theories, such as the famous Schrödinger's cat in quantum mechanics. As for the dark flow, its existence outside the universe raises a complex question. This phenomenon was proposed in 2008 as a possible explanation for the observation that certain galaxy clusters seem to move faster than expected, considering the desired distribution of matter in the universe. Well now, let us know your opinions in the comments box. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.